Welcome to BagooshieBuilder Crafting and Storytelling. My name is Sophie. Today we are going to draw a pug with a tennis ball. Start by drawing a little curved line like this on one side and another on the other side. Then connect them together. Next, draw a line down and curve it back up. Then draw a line in the middle. Next, draw 3 whiskers on either side of the pug's cheeks. And draw another half like that. Draw a curve and then color it in. Next, draw 4 dots on the pug's cheeks on either side. If you want, you can add more than 4. I usually like adding 5 or 6. Next, draw a circle on one side and a circle on the other. Then draw a smaller circle up at the top in one eye, then one in the other eye. Then we color the big circle, but leave the little circle white. Next, draw a line up and curve, and then the line going down. Then draw the chin of the pug with curves going away from the top. Next, draw a tiny upside down heart on one side and an upside down heart on the other for the pug's ears. Then draw a small half circle in the middle, another half circle like that, and 2 lines with the curve at the bottom that go into the body. Then draw 3 lines and another 3 lines. Next, draw the pug's leg and feet curving in like that. Draw a little swirl, then up it there, and a bump down and in. Then do that on the other side. Swirl, up, bump down, in. Then draw a tiny tennis ball like this. Make 2 lines like that. If you want, you can draw a bow or a hat on top of your pug. If you're drawing a bow, start with a circle, a line up, a line up on the other side, then a line down, and a line down. Curve down and curve down. Next, erase this line in the middle. Okay, we are done our pug. Now I'm going to color in my Okay, we are finished. Now it's your turn to color. Please make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.